Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to discuss about the unit plan in biological science. First, here we are writing the meaning of unit plan, definitions and the steps, selection of unit and content analysis, unit analysis, and listing all instructional objectives. These are the criteria of good lesson plans and their importance, and I am taking the unit tissues. Here first I am going to write all listing the all instructional objectives and their subunits. Okay, you can see here subunits, and in subunit 2, subunit 3, and these are all instructional objectives I have listed here while I done during this lesson. These are all the teaching points of instructional objectives, understanding, application, and skill. These are the teaching aids I have used during those lesson. And here we have reference 9th standard NCERT textbook and internet. And here we are doing introductory part, previous knowledge, introductory activity, and previous activity. Here I am listing all introductory activities of all subunits by continuous questions and pupils response. You can see at getting no response or partial answer of last, I am starting the statement of this topic. Here you can see the developmental stage where content analysis, effective learning outcome, and teaching activity and pupil activity evaluation part. You can see here I have written short notes of all the teaching points with effective learning outcomes. And in teachers activity I have written all the activities what I have done in during the lesson. Here you can see the pupil response, their answering and all. These are all the things I have done using teaching aids, charts during this lesson. Now I am summarizing all these lessons for unit plan continuous. You can see the structures and notes, small notes, activities and all. You have to write continuously. This is connective tissue, got the information. After that, last muscle tissue and nervous tissue and their types and their structures I have explained. After all, you have to write the concluding statement. Without concluding statement, it is incomplete. After this, we are writing the recapitulation questions and blackboard summary of each and every subunit. Here we are listing of this, and you can see here very clearly. This is the home assignment of whole unit, and here the activity of the whole unit I have done, and here the conclusion of the whole unit, and this is the bibliography. And thank you.